me Nicole earlier? She's a bitch. Is that on?
No one was referring to Deputy Sparks in that way. Well, they even left a space for us. Perfect. Jim and Myra Jensen. This is courtesy of Terry Londosh. Jim's birthday is today. His wife Myra. Her birthday is on the 15th. Well, happy birthday to both of you. Oh, you ready? Okay. While you're in there, I'll do some shout-outs.
There you go. Oh.
I found it parked over here.
There's the Rev. Mike turned 42 on yesterday the 9th from Veteran CC. Chris Palmer turned 48 on February 4th. Amy Grant on the 4th. With love from your husband Steve. Kevin Joyce on the 4th. Well, a lot of February 4th birthdays. David Schwenke turned 66 on the 4th. Betsy from day one. Mary Alice Johnson wanted us to do that shout out. Mike turned 42 on the 9th from Veteran CC. Retired Ramsey County Deputy Herb Gustafson turned 99 today. 99 years old. Herb, happy birthday from all of us at the Ramsey County Sheriff's Office. Condolences to family and friends of Todd Sandell, the former chief of police of Richfield. Passed away January 31st. Condolences from all of us and from Michael Lyncher. Julie Barnett wanted to shout out memory of Howard Greedy, a 29-year veteran of the State Patrol, died of COVID in December of 2021. Shadow Russell wants to share condolences, as do we, with the family of John Price, backseater from Wisconsin, who passed away February 5th. Prayers and condolences to all.
42.
Alan Solo, his wife Debbie, had his 65th birthday on Wednesday. Happy birthday to Debbie. And Alan Sarski also quit smoking last Friday. Out of inspiration, thank you. Oh, let's see here. Happy birthday to Sue Nickham. His birthday is coming up on the 12th. From Alan, Graham, and from us. There was one more I didn't think I was going to be able to get to, and I'm sorry that I can't find it. So, anybody I missed, I apologize. But like I said, be sure to let the live on patrol page know, okay? So there are only 2 calls pending in the entire county right now. Which is a very rare occurrence indeed. Katrina, your brother Carlos would like to tell you happy birthday, and we're going to join in and say happy birthday to you, Katrina.
There's $500 worth of gift cards.
Holy
All right?
$500?
$50 a piece. Keep doing what you're doing, all right?
Thank you. God bless you. $500 in gift cards.
I'm trying to find you.
Thank you.
326.
Where's Rev?
Had to take a pit stop.
Sounds like it'll be northbound 61 at Point Douglas, and state has also been notified.
There's a truck over here that was coming down 7th that was flying. Comes back clear out of Ranch,
2307.
Minnesota. Then it all of a sudden just pulled and parked in the lot over here.
Huh.
322, we're out with her.
Okay.
Now it's coming back.
Copy. 2307.
St. Johnson, anyone close?
He's okay.
Forget it.
It's good?
Yeah.
Ah, never mind.
322.
You can go ahead and get it.
322.
For code 4 from Ash, she is claiming she took 20 pills of trazodone.
Copy. 2309.
Did you see how they treated me in there?
We were just given $500 in gift cards.
Whoa!
TCH. You're the man to pass them out.
Oh, who gave us this? Did I miss somebody?
The gentleman in the tow truck. Nice ride, mister.
Oh, there it is. Who heard?
Got sport code I found out. I'm trying to keep up.
Watch out.
Who heard?
Is that the same setup as Kyle's?
Probably it's a little older. So I don't think it's precipitated. Just for how quick it overheats.
74 big circle. Who heard?
326, we copy the update. Copy. We have another party on scene. They did advise of base house flames coming from the vehicle, but it does not appear to be on fire, and will be 61 and Point Douglas at 2310.
Well, you should have heard her the other night. And Nicole earlier. She's a bitch. Is that on? You can't hear me from here, can you?
Yeah.
300,
I'll let you know in a second.
Can you send that to me in his state route at all or no?
No affirmative, states and out.
$10 fee. 10.
Oh.
2311.
Did it go over? I thought you were off.
Did they hear?
Let's go see what we can find. Oh, we're not leaving east.
We are in the area, but not seeing any vehicles. Can we get a better location? Copy. I think it's going to be north of where you're able to, on the north portion of Point Douglas Road.
So they're trying to find this car accident down off the Point Douglas Road. And they're using the GPS and squad car to try and direct it into it. Point Douglas. Yep.
I don't know what Point Douglas is.
It's kind of like the frontage road on the east side of 61.
Oh, okay.
Oh, getting a call, folks. Sorry.
Did you hear that one?
Okay. Oh my goodness. I certainly wish I'd been paying better attention to these comments, Reverend.
Yeah.
No one was referring to Deputy Sparks in that way. For people to hear a little bit of a conversation and make assumptions about it is a little bit disappointing. Nicole Sparks is a valued member of the Sheriff's Office and of the CAT team. So just stop. People are speculating over something that is absolutely has no foundation. And that's all I'm going to say about it. That is ridiculous.
good job on the east. That's East District right there.
People say, oh, check me out,